Hey guys, today I'm going to show a quick demo of OpenWRT running on the MR18. Um, so just to go through the rundown, I'll just show off Lucy a bit and some of the cool features of the device. To start, on the left here we have UART hooked up to the device, so I'm just going to pull the power and reboot the thing to show you guys the full boot process. So here we go. So as you can see, this board boots really quick. It has a very interesting bootloader that's a custom-built creation by Cisco called NAND Loader, with some weird kernel header information that took a bit to figure out, but as you can see, it fully boots. Here, let's bring up the interfaces. But yeah, there we go. We have OpenWRT, KS Calmer, 46734. And just to verify, this is the device it's running on. Here on the right, we have the browser running Lucy. So if I do if config grep 1021.4, you can see there the IP set to this, so it's the same machine. I just did a grep to make sure the MAC address is hidden for this time, just because, this is a demo. So if I go and log in here, you can then see Lucy. It does take a little bit to load the first time, just because of all the stats it has to pull. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, this device has 128 megabytes of RAM. Ethernet is obviously working. I'm using it with DHCP. And it does have 3 wireless radios. The first one is the 2.4 BGN, the second one is the 5 GHz AN, and the third one is the scanning radio, I believe Meraki calls it. That is a dual-band ABGN radio that's at very low power. But all 3 work as full wireless interfaces, so you're free to do with whatever. On top of that, this device has currently 40.79 megabytes of free space left, and that is with the stock firmware still on this device. If you remove the stock firmware from the UBI partition, you will then end up with over 94 megabytes of free space for all of the fun OpenWRT packages that you want to add. There's also full support for everything at this time, so all LEDs work. You can set the triggers for them all, tweak it, whatever. Ethernet, as you saw, works. Sys upgrade is actually working currently as well. So at this time, all that's really left is to polish a few ends and here and there some code, bring it up to the latest branch, start getting pull requests ready to, or not pull requests, patches ready to merge it upstream, and to finish up the flashing guide, which may take a bit due to the complexity to flash this device. But as you can see, here it is fully running on an MR18, latest and greatest. And just to show that, this is it. And there you have it, guys.